Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money from Gcash to PayPal. So in order to do that, you'll have to have two PayPal accounts, a primary account and a secondary account. So what you'll have to do is log in into your primary account, and right here you'll see this option which says send and request. So we are going to select that option right here, and we are going to insert the email address of our secondary account. So in my case, I'm going to insert the address right here, and then I'm going to select it from here. So right now we're going to insert the amount of cash that we want to transfer. So let's say I'm going to send €10, and I'm going to hit next button. Right here, you'll have to choose this option where it says for friends and family, and then hit continue. So right here, you have to choose the option that you want to use to the transfer. So I'm going to select the new card, and right here I'm going to select the link a debit or credit card. So what you'll have to do is to insert the your Gcash Mastercard account information, and right here you have to insert the credit card number and all the information that is needed from your credit card, and then you can link the card and send the money. So this is all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.